lot of peoples out there, and they take what's good and make it bad, and what's bad and make it good. And what I gotta say is, don't go for the preachers that got all the feel-good sermons and say all a lot of things, because if you is taking the positions of the preachers of our Lord Jesus, you are supposed to preach the Gospels. And straight up, you're not supposed to be talking about all kind of other stuffs. You're supposed to be preaching the Gospels, because it is written, if any man comes to you and preaches anything outside of the Gospels that is given to you, let him be accursed. And then they got people who wonder why they're cursed. The devil will prop you up and give you many riches and good things. But it's harder for a rich man to get to heaven than to put the camel through the eyes of a needle, stupids. You selling your soul because you're preaching stuff that's outside the gospel. And sooner or later, it's all going to come crumbling down on top of you.